Hey everyone, I have been getting a lot of questions about how these recent events have affected our real estate market here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I just wanted to come on and answer some of the questions that I have personally been getting from my clients and my friends. First of all, interest rates for mortgage loans. The Fed funds rate cut does not affect mortgage loan interest rates, so don't be worried about that. That's not what you're going to see rise or fall mortgage loan interest rates. What does affect mortgage interest rates, however, and which we were seeing already, is so many people are coming to refinance their homes because of the insanely low interest rates that the mortgage lenders have had to raise that percentage just to stave off the influx. So what was maybe 3.25% for a 30-year fixed is now around 4.25% or 4%, simply to stave off the influx because they only have so much capacity. There's only so many mortgage lenders, there's only so many processors, there's only so many appraisers to actually get the refinancing done. So what you will see is probably a little rise to 4.25%, simply to stave off the refinancing, because people are less likely to refinance their home at 4% or 4.25% than they are at 3% or 3.25%. So that's what you will see affect interest rates. And then once they handle that capacity, they will likely drop back down. Now, what does that mean for you buying and selling? Buying, I've advised my clients to continue on. We're still looking, we're still going. If you're worried about how the flux has affected your potential payment, sit down with your real estate broker, sit down with your mortgage lender and run the numbers and look at it. That way there's no guesswork, you know exactly what you're getting into. And as far as sellers go, you shouldn't be worried because it's still going to be a great interest rate for those mortgage loans to get your home sold. And I'll tell you another reason why it's still good to list your home here in a minute. But that is what we're looking for as far as interest rates and mortgage loans go. The other question I've been getting is, will this cause a similar recession? And it probably will cause a little recession simply because of these local businesses getting hit so hard, and even big businesses getting hit so hard of just, people having to stay home. So that will likely happen. It will be nothing like 2008, and I'll tell you a couple reasons why. First of all, mortgage standards are better. Prices aren't out of control. They are rising in Greenville, but they're not out of control yet like it was in the housing bubble. Also, we don't have a surplus of homes. We have a shortage of homes. We need listings on the market. With a surplus of homes, you have a danger, like we saw, of depreciation. And then with a shortage of homes, it just means continued appreciation. So that's another reason why we continue to move on in real estate. We continue to be a healthy market. And that's what our team has been telling our listing clients is, don't wait. Put your home on the market because you can get a great price for it. Buyers are still needing homes. And so that is how we've been advising our clients, that there's no really reason to wait to list or to buy. We need those listings on the market because you can get a great value for them. They're continuing to appreciate, which is a great reason for a buyer to continue to buy, because they're going to just be continuing to sit on equity. That's not going to change. Obviously, in my experience in the business, I have seen market slowdowns when people are not so sure about the future. They're not so sure about their jobs. And they want to feel secure in their work, and you do typically to see some slowdown in the market in that case. And I've just been encouraging, like I said, our team has been encouraging our clients to continue on. We see this short-term effect that will cause ripples. It will. We all know that. But long-term effect is still buy, still sell. And if you have concerns, that's when you reach out to your real estate professionals, you reach out to your mortgage lenders. I'm happy to answer any questions, of course, that you have, but I'm here to tell you that it's going to be, as far as we're not seeing any huge waves in the real estate market. I will be curious to see what happens long term, but for now we are strong and we are continuing. And I just want to say that I'm so proud of the Greenville community for everything they're doing just to come together and help those who maybe, especially the kids being out of school. I'm just proud of our community and the way that it's coming together. And if you have any questions, again, let me know. But that's my little update. And happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. I do hope you have a really good day, and I'll see you soon.